To install Office UC on your Windows desktop machine, we're going to punch your favourite web browser at www.midlandnetworks.co.uk. When we are presented with this wonderful homepage, we are going to navigate up to the top right over here, where there's login. The menu will drop down, and we'll click on Midland HVS user. This will present us with the login page. Now we will give you the required login details for this page. Clicking log on will take you to the dashboard right here. Now the tab we want is this applications tab right here. Clicking that, we're taken to a portal for downloading all relevant applications that we can use. The one we're looking for is the Office UC for Desktop Windows Edition. Clicking on download, the browser will start to download it. There. Okay. Now, clicking on the file that we just downloaded will open it up. Windows will ask for permission to install. That's fine. We will be at with Welcome to the Office UC setup. This is just explaining that we're trying to set it up. Pressing next will take us to the license agreement. Make sure you read all of this, it's very important. Clicking I agree will take you to the bottom of it, but you know, we can press I agree again. Now, 4 options here. The default are always run it Office UC when the computer starts, and create desktop icon. We'll accept these and move on. The default installation path here is fine. If you want to find a new place, click Browse, and choose Main Menu folder, Install, and the progress bar will let us know how much of the program has been installed and roughly how long it's going to take. If we just wait around for a little bit. And there we go, it has now installed. It also completed up here, and pressing next take us to this. Leaving the tick box ticked to open Office UC and pressing finish will be fine. And that is how you install Office UC on your desktop computer.